Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step YouTube business blueprint and a type of YouTube channel which you can start. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to do all the editing and all that difficult stuff. It is really simple. You don't need extraordinary content creation skills to make this. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to invest in expensive equipments like cameras and all that stuff, but still you can make this type of YouTube channel and make a ton of money out of it. All you need to do is learn a little bit of skill. Okay, this is not at all difficult. Anyone of you, absolutely anyone of you, can do it and make money with this strategy, because everyone knows that YouTube is a gold mine for making money and it can earn you a ton of money. But before we jump into this video, I would like to share with you an awesome opportunity which I am personally using, a plug and play affiliate marketing system. So if you are interested in that, do check out the first link in the description after watching this video. Okay, so now let's get started. Let me reveal to you the entire YouTube channel blueprint which you can follow and make a great YouTube channel for yourself, as well as you can have your personal branding in it so that you can make some extra money out of it and you can just make a ton of money with it. Okay, but this is not something which is a short-term method. This is something which is a little bit of long-term method, but still you can make a ton of money out of it. So now let's get started. Let me get to the side of the screen, because if I am sitting here in the middle of the screen, I'm definitely gonna disturb you and I don't want to do that. So we are now on the side of the screen, and the first step to do this thing is that, so the first step to do this is go to this website which is known as obsproject.com, and you need to download this software which is known as OBS Studio. Now this is a screen recording software which most of the people are using. Okay, and you just need to download it because it's available absolutely for free, and it is one of the best software which I am personally using to record this video also. So this is the best software which I recommend absolutely for free for recording your screen, because you will need this software to make this particular type of videos which I'm gonna show you. Okay, so the first step is completed. You need to download this OBS Studio Open Broadcaster software. Okay, now the second step is that you need some keywords or the titles on which you can make all this type of videos. Okay, so now let me give you the keywords. Okay, now these are enough keywords that you can start your YouTube channel and you won't run out of ideas. Okay, so now just if you are watching this on your phone, just stop for some time, take a screenshot, and you are gonna get all these keywords. Okay, so these are some of the titles which I am suggesting you on which you are gonna make content. It's really super duper easy to make content on these titles using this screen recording software. Don't take it, it's not at all difficult. You don't need any extraordinary video editing skills and all that stuff. Okay, it's really easy, it's really simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you the entire tutorial of how to do all this stuff, so just don't worry. I just sit back, relax, have some popcorn and enjoy this video till the end, because all these things will be explained to you step by step. So the second step is that you need to pause your screen and just take a screenshot. Okay, if you are using a smartphone, and if you are using a computer and watching this video on a computer, that is a snipping tool. Okay, just search for snipping tool on this search bar over here, and you can just use that. Okay, and you can take a screenshot of your computer using that. Okay, so now you have got the keywords, you have got the right software which you are gonna use to create this type of very simple videos. Now the first video which you are going to make on your YouTube channel is how to make an Instagram post on Canva. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so you are gonna create first video regarding this topic. Okay, now you can shuffle it up, you can do it as in your way that you want to create this video first or this video first. It's your choice. Okay, so you can just use this. Okay, now the second step is you need to sign up for this free website which is known as canva.com. Okay, so all you need to do is go to canva.com and sign up for it. It's not at all difficult. You can sign up with your Gmail or Google account. Okay, so that's something which most of the people know how to do, and I'm not gonna teach that stuff particularly in this video. Okay, so most of you know how to just sign up for any of the things. Okay, so just sign up for canva.com. The first step is completed. You have got the right software to record your screen. The second step is that you have just signed up for the right website in which you are gonna make all this graphics. Okay, now the thing about Canva is that it's a drag and drop. It's a drag and drop graphic builder. Okay, so you can make a ton of graphics with Canva just by doing drag and drop stuff. Okay, so the first topic on which we are going to create video is Instagram. Okay, so let's go to Canva and okay, so this is some example which I have created. But now before you start doing this stuff, you need to do one thing. Okay, so now you are gonna make a tutorial video of how to make a graphic on Canva. So the first step is that you need to set up your OBS Studio. So once you have downloaded OBS Studio from that website, which is known as openproject.org, I don't know, I forgot the website, but this website, okay, which is this website, obsproject.com. Okay, once you have downloaded this, okay, now the second step you need to do is you need to install the software. And once you have installed this software, an interface just like this will appear on your screen. Okay, now this interface is what you are gonna use. Let me take it to the side so that you can see the entire interface. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, once you have downloaded and installed this into your computer, you just need to click on this plus button and you just need to give a scene name. Okay, you can give it any name as per your choice. Okay, so the first step is completed in setting up the OBS Studio. Okay, now the second step is that you need to click on this plus button and click on this display capture. Okay, just understand this display capture, and all you need to do is click on it and press on it. Okay, so once you have done display capture and that, okay, your setup is ready. Okay, now the third step is your setup of OBS Studio is ready, and now OBS Studio is ready to record your screen of your computer. Okay, now the third step is that you need to press on this here. A button appears which says start recording. Okay, and once you press that, it becomes a stop recording button, but at first it appears a start recording. You need to click on that button. Okay, and whatever happens on your screen will start get recorded. Okay, and now you just need to start creating and start speaking a little bit. Okay, you may feel awkward in the first phases, but it's simple. Okay, it's really easy. Now you have just started creating a video, so you have clicked on the record button, and now you can see, so here we are in this video and we are going to create an Instagram post using Canva. Okay, so the first step is that you need to sign up for canva.com, and the second step is that you need to click on this Instagram post. Okay, so once you click on that, a new window will open. You just have to say whatever the things you are doing. Okay, you don't need to make any extraordinary scripts and all this stuff. You just need to say the stuff which you are doing. Okay, for example, I am making an Instagram post, so now you just need to select a template. Now you have to say to people that I am selecting this particular template which I'm gonna use to make this Instagram post. Okay, now you just need to edit some stuff, so you can just say that now to make a template on Canva, you can just edit all this stuff. Okay, so now for example, you can make that stay safe during this pandemic, wear masks. Okay, so the thing is completed. Okay, now you can just resize this stuff and move it around and select any of the templates whichever you like. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, now if you don't want some stuff, you can just directly delete that stuff from over here, and all this stuff is removed. Okay, now you can just change the text, you can now change the color of the text, you can change the background over here. This is the background option, and all you need to do is show them whatever the features of Canva you are using. Now there are a ton of tutorials regarding Canva which are available absolutely for YouTube. Okay, but they are tutorials which are not there in a particular set. Okay, so it is really very difficult for people to find out particular Canva tutorials, and that's the reason why I'm suggesting you niche, because none of the people have created a special YouTube channel only teaching how to make different types of graphics using Canva. And that's the reason why there is a huge chance that you can get a really great, you can grow a channel really fast. Okay, so you can see now from here you have changed the background of this. Okay, so you just need to teach the people how to do this stuff. Okay, and if you still don't know how to use Canva, you can just get a $5 to $10 course on udemy.com and learn how to use Canva, all the step by step things. Okay, this is a little bit of skill which you need to learn to make this type of YouTube channel. And once you have learned how to use Canva from that Udemy course, okay, so Udemy courses are really cheap and you can find those courses for $5 to $10, and it would take a minimum of 1 week for you to learn the Canva tool entirely. And once you have did it, you can make this all these videos just for your YouTube channel. Now I'm also gonna show you how you can convert this into a business and make even more extra money. Okay, so now your video is recorded, you have shown people how to make an Instagram post, and all you need to do is tell them to download these images from here. Okay, so once they downloaded the images, your image has been ready and your tutorial has been finished. Now all you need to do is click on this and press the stop button, and your screen recording will be stopped. Okay, and your video has been created. Okay, so now after completing this stuff, you are ready to upload that video to a particular YouTube channel which you are gonna open, which you teach this type of graphic designing and all this stuff. Okay, and you don't need to show your face for this. Now the best part about this is that you can make extra money. Okay, not just YouTube AdSense, but still there is a huge opportunity that you can make more and more money. Okay, so since you have acquired a skill in a 1 week time, okay, so you have acquired a skill, you have invested $10 to $20 in a course in which you have learned how to use Canva step by step. Okay, so you have learned this entire program, and that's the reason why you can just now go to Fiverr and make a gig of yourself, in which you will provide the services like I will make Instagram posts for you, or I will make Pinterest posts for you and all this stuff. Okay, and you need to provide your link in the description of your YouTube video, your Fiverr link, and all you need to do is tell the people that if you want me to design something for you, then you can just hire me on Fiverr and I will make some particular designs for you and for your company or whatever. And in this way you will get more clients, and those clients will be paying you money, and in this way you will also have a YouTube channel which will be paying you AdSense revenue every single month, because there is a huge demand for all this type of things, as this is the age of infographics and videos. So that's the reason why the more stuff you learn in terms of graphic designing, the more money you can make, because it's really easy to do. And if you really grow this into a very good business, then you can also sign up to another platform which is known as placeit.com. Now this is a bit of you just need to pay $10 to $20 every single month for this platform, but still you have a ton of templates. In with using this platform you can also design all this stuff and you can provide it to your audience, and you can make a YouTube channel just you can make a video on all these topics which I have given over here. Okay, so just start creating videos, start recording your screen, and just start putting those videos to YouTube channels, and you can probably start making a ton of money. Why I have given you all these topics is because that those who are new YouTubers mostly find it difficult to find ideas for the YouTube channel, and that's the reason why I have given you this 20 plus YouTube video ideas which you can directly use and start your solid YouTube channel with some awesome amount of content. So if you got some value out of this video, do press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and definitely follow me on Instagram. There is our Instagram page. You can follow me over there. You can message me over there, and I will definitely reply to you if you have any problems regarding make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. And if you want all this type of awesome videos on my channel more and more, just comment down below if you want me to make videos on any of the topics which you people want. Then I will definitely make a video on that, and I reply to all the comments. So do comment below this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.